Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun Chow. Today, I'm gonna make the most delicious noodle dish you ever tasted. And it's called Beef Chow Fun. This dish is a dish that everyone can make. So let's get started. To pre-marinate beef, we add a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a dash of pepper, teaspoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. In order to tenderize this meat and make it super silky and tender, I add a teaspoon of baking soda. Coat the beef evenly like this. Then you want to set this aside for about 20 minutes. Now back to the rest of the ingredients. We have 5 cloves of chopped garlic and half a cup of green onions, 1 cup of bean sprouts, half a cup of sliced onions, 1 whipped egg, our pre-marinated beef, and finally the chow fun, hor fun, that we purchased from the Asian market. To flavor the dish, we are going to make my Trinity sauce consisting of 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And for a little kick, we're gonna add some of this sambal oelek that you can find in the Asian market. With a very hot wok, I'm gonna add about half a cup of oil. What I'm going to do is give the beef a really good stir fry. Add the beef in. You can see how it's a little crunchy at the edge. And it looks like it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Try and enjoy as much oil as you can. So it took only about 3 minutes to stir fry the beef. And now I'm gonna remove the excess oil from the wok. I'm gonna leave about, I say about 3 tablespoons of oil to stir fry my aromatics. Next, we put half a cup of onions. Next, we're gonna add chopped garlic. Give it a quick stir fry. This looks about right, slightly brown. Then we are going to add our chow fun or hor fun. Keep your wok at a high heat and then keep on with the stir frying. Now for a little quick tip, what I like to do here, I like to add about a tablespoon of fish sauce. And what this does is it lubricates the chow fun, and you will see how it's so much easier to fry for some reason with a little bit of fish sauce. It's nice to see that you get a little char here and there, and that's what you want. This is where the flavor lies. You see how the chow fun is a little burnt there, and that's what you want. Next, add the sauce. Then what I like to do is I like to create a little well in the middle to fry my eggs and fold the chow fun into the eggs like this. Give it a quick stir fry. Make sure the entire chow fun is coated with eggs, and you want the eggs to be a little crispy on the dry side. Give it a good stir fry. Don't be shy. I like to scrape the bottom. That's where all the flavors are. Okay, so this looks really good to me. Next, the bean sprouts. You don't want to stir fry this for too long. You want the bean sprouts to be crunchy. Next, we're gonna add back the beef. Give it a quick stir fry. I would say about a minute or so.
Hey guys, well, I get the fun part. I get to try this delicious dish. Let me tell you, it looks and smells amazing. The beef looks perfectly cooked, and the noodles. Let's just give it a little stir. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. The beef is so tender, and the noodles have a really nice chew to them. With a little crunch from the bean sprouts. You guys are gonna love this dish. Make sure to click and subscribe for more awesome dishes to come.